In this video, we are going to learn how Academy owners can publish their courses on Yuno. First, we need to log in to the org admin dashboard and navigate to courses. Here, we can see all the courses under our Academy in the My Academy. We'll only see this tab if we have an Academy created. To create a new course, we click on the red button in the top right corner. There are a few steps involved in creating a course, and we need to complete them one by one. Each step will appear on the screen as we go along. First, we need to select the enrollment type for the course we want to create. We can choose between fixed date enrollments and rolling enrollments. If we choose the fixed date enrollment option, all batches created for this core SE can have enrollments on or before the start date of batch. If we choose the rolling enrollment option, all batches created for this course can have enrollments before and even after the start date of the batch. Which option we choose depends on the way we design the curriculum of the course. Note that once we choose this option, it cannot be changed later for the course. After making our selection, we click on Next. Now we need to select the subject category for our course. Next, we need to add at least one learning objective describing what students will achieve after completing the course. A learning objective is a specific desired outcome, such as gaining a new skill, passing an examination with a certain score, successfully navigating a job interview, or any other defined goal. We enter these objectives here. We can proceed by clicking on Next. Now we need to select certain details, such as the course duration and information about the live classes. The duration of the course should be selected in weeks. We can choose a number of weeks here. Next, we need to select how many days a week the classes will be offered. For example, this can be once a week, twice a week, or 3 times a week. Then we need to choose the duration of the class. This can vary from 30 minutes up to 3 hours. We can select any duration that fits our needs. After that, we need to select the personalization of the course. This means deciding whether the course is available only in group format or also in one-to-one format. We should select the option that matches how the course is offered. While this is more important when a batch is created, this is required now since the price of the course can differ based on the personalization offered. For the course we are creating, it is available in both formats, so we will choose both options. Here, we need to add further details. If it is a group batch, we need to specify the maximum number of students allowed in that batch, and the price of the course excluding taxes. Similarly, for one-to-one classes, we need to add a price for that specific personalization excluding taxes. Then we can click on Next. The last thing we need to do before creating the post is to answer, why should learners enroll with us? Or why should they enroll in this particular course? Add all that information in the provided box. Next, we click on Submit. Within 1 or 2 minutes, AI will create our course. Once the course is created, this is how it will look. We get a complete page where we can see a title assigned to our course, and a URL for the course as well, which we can share with the learners. There are other details such as short description, long description learning outcomes, and the course image for this course. By default, the course image is not created, so we can update the course image for this course. To do this, we navigate to the top section and click on the pencil icon. AI will automatically provide a title for the course, but if you want a different title, we can always modify it. To update the image for this course, we click on Click to Upload, then select the picture we want. For the policy for the instructor, we can leave it as null. Then we click on Save. This is how we can create a course on the Yuno platform.